My name is Sumasa Zoeb. My class name is Grade 3 at we are Crawford for Crawford Culture. Today our topic is noise pollution. Noise pollution is a very dangerous problem that our earth is facing these days. Noise pollution sound that causes discomfort to the ears is called noise pollution. Noise pollution has become the one problem in Pakistan. Excessive noise is harmful to the health. Causes of noise pollution: sound from missiles, sound from machines and construction site, electronic generator. Noise pollution is equally harmful as the other pollution like air, water and soil. Types of pollution. There are 4 types of pollution: noise pollution, water pollution, soil pollution, air pollution. Pollution is a very big problem. Pollution is mainly caused by human activities. Pollution which harm our environment. Please like, share and subscribe our channel. Bye.